I'm sure you've heard the news. Elite ad upgrades are here, and they're hot. For just $97, you get 5 top safe list elite upgrades. Plus, a bonus of 250 Supersolos. Top it off with 5 extra solos from MasterSafelistBlaster, reaching 546,000 members on 315 plus sites. That's 125 to 200 clicks for each solo. Or, go for 1 top safe list elite upgrade at only $20. This includes a bonus of 40 super solos and 1 extra solo from MasterSafelistBlaster. Both options come with free ads at each site and promo code NEWMEMBER for even more free ads. Plus, join Advertising Blowout for free to unlock up to 5 levels of promo codes on each site for more credits and ad packs. Remember, there are only 15 slots for this offer, and they are disappearing fast. Sign up at the URL in the description, join the sites, and head to the payment page. Don't forget to submit your support ticket with your user IDs for each site and MasterSafelistBlaster. Upgrade now and watch your marketing soar. Time's ticking. Grab your slot before it's gone.